Hey everybody, Kevin DeBrita back with Finch Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC, sitting in a Cadillac XT6, showing you a feature that's showing up in a lot more of our vehicles. One of my favorite features, the live streaming rear view camera. Camera around here so we can see what we're talking about, and this is our traditional rear view mirror. Allows us to see out of the back window, and then on the bottom here you'll notice a couple things. This here is a light sensor. And then we've got 3 buttons. This will be our switch to your next mode button. And then we've got up and down. And then back here, this is what activates our live streaming rear view mirror. So I'm just going to go through the different modes that we have. You can see here, this is our brightness. And we're going to move our brightness down and up. Difficult to see during the day, but I'm using these 2 buttons over here to move the brightness down and up. I'm going to move to the next one. This is our zoom, so we can zoom all the way in and zoom all the way out. Now what I've noticed about our zoom feature is when you zoom all the way in, it gives you more of a traditional view of what you would normally see out of that back window if you didn't have any obstructions. But if somebody pulls up behind you, it's going to look like they're almost on top of your car. So I've gotten more comfortable in the zoom feature, having it zoomed all the way out and having that nice wide angle. And the last one allows you to move the angle up and down. So depending on what you find or what you want to see the most customers will find in most vehicles it's somewhere in the middle. But that is customizable on that 3rd setting. And if we don't touch any buttons, it automatically goes back to our rear view. And again, flipping back and forth, really easy. Quick demonstration on how to use our live streaming rear view camera. If you have this feature, I'd love to know what you think about it. I do know that it takes a little bit of getting used to, and I have had conversations with clients, particularly clients that wear bifocals. When they're looking at the rear view mirror, your conventional rear view mirror, when you're looking at it, you're actually looking way back. You're looking back behind the car, and that becomes your focal point. Similar to when you go to the eye doctors, they usually have you look in a mirror, and that is the what you're looking at reflected off it. So the focal point is way back. When you're looking at this live streaming rear view camera, your focal point is about 18 inches in front of you. So 2 completely different looks for your own eye. Again, let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like the feature? Do you use the feature? Do you prefer to stick with the regular rear view mirror? Thanks for watching, and have a great day.